After repair video at 519 Trudell Drive. It is May 30th, 2014, and time now is 11:38 a.m. Yard has been cut, edged, and trimmed. Mulch has been added to the front yard, both trees and hedges. Hedges have been trimmed, trees have been trimmed, debris carried off. The exterior of the house, rotten wood has been replaced, and the house has been painted. Concrete has been added to the driveway and the sidewalk area to prevent trip hazard. Anti-siphon device added to the hose bib. New light fixture. Door has been refinished. Light fixture added to the back patio. Shed that was in the back has been removed and hauled away. New AC condenser compressor unit. Light fixture in the back. Anti-siphon device added to the hose bib in the back. Tree trimmed, grass cut, trash hauled away. No bees visible. So screen door has been removed. Concrete in the back patio also has been added to prevent trip hazard. Electrical wiring has been secured. Okay. Weather stripping added to the front door. Door jamb repaired. Keyless locking device added to the front door. Door stop added. Double light switch cover and single light switch cover added. Let's go outlet covers added. Screens, 2 of them added, and mini blinds. Windows are working. Ceiling fan added with bulb. Floor has been refinished. And the interior has been painted, repaired all cracks, repaired all damaged walls, installed monterey texture on the entire house, and the interior was totally clean. Living room broken glass was repaired. Again, 2 screens added, mini blinds added, outlet covers, 4 installed light switch covers, remove existing ceiling so that we can retexture, installed wood trim around the furnace area, light switch cover installed, a light switch, single, 2 singles, and 1 double. And prepare the wall into the kitchen, making the entryway an arch area. And install the passive lock and smoke alarm in the closet area. Door stop added. Bedroom number 1, which I will call the front right bedroom of the house, is looking at it from the outside. Smoke alarm installed, ceiling fan with bulb installed, refinished the wood flooring, installed a single light switch cover at entry area, mini blinds installed, and 1, 2, 3, 4 screens installed. Rear window is fixed to open. And let's see. Door stop, passage lock, closet area, floor also refinished, painted, interior. Sliding doors on track, repaired. Hallway, smoke alarm installed, light fixture installed, removed the ceiling so we could texture it. Single light switch cover, and the floors have been refinished in the hallway as well. Bedroom number 2, I called the middle bedroom. Refinished the flooring. Sealed the walls, make them look new. Installed ceiling fan with light bulb. Installed single light switch. Installed electrical outlet covers. And cable cover. Installed mini blinds. And 1, 2, 3, 4 screens installed. And let's see here. Installed the door handles or knobs to the drawers. There's a total of 10. Door stop added. Installed the entry door. Passive lock. Smoke alarm. Closet. Shelves will be done. Cabinet drawers in the hallway have been painted and refinished. Back bedroom, this is bedroom number 3. Replaced broken glass. Repaired the window to open. Ceiling fan installed with bulb. Installed an electrical outlet. Install outlet covers. 1, 2, and 3. Okay. Installed screens. One and two. One in the back. And, smoke alarm, door stop. Refinished the wooden flooring. Closet, painted interior and doors. Drawers, cabinet, all painted. Guest bathroom in the hallway. Cabinets and drawers all have handles on them now, freshly painted. Mirror added. Tile flooring added. Vanity light fixture. Sink with cabinet. P-trap. New toilet installed. Toilet paper holder, towel bar, exhaust fan, towel around the tub, faucet, the tub new caulking. Okay, so we have passive lock, door stop, new steel tub. Tub is new, steel. Of course, hardy board required and areas that will have water. Laundry room, which is located in the garage. Of course, they added a new door, door stop, peephole, keyless deadbolt, weather stripping, sheetrock wall, double switch outlet cover, outlet, 220 for the dryer. New hoses, bibs for the washer, vent for the dryer, wires removed, hot water heater, new gas, raised up, garage door opener, new. Light switch. Okay. All right, the back living area, what I will call the master bedroom. First, the wall is installed to divide it. We also have an entry door, passive lock, ceramic tile flooring, door stop, ceiling fan with bulbs, light fixture, smoke alarm, mini blinds, screens, electrical outlet switch. We have one single and one double. Outlet cover, blank, and one. Two electrical outlet covers, we have two. The ceiling was removed so that we can do the texturing and start a new sheetrock, taped and float and textured, Monterey texture. Also an entry door going into the backyard is installed with the keyless deadbolt, peephole, window stripping. New trim around the base, closet doors, tile in the closet, closet shelf and bar. Doors are on track, bracket to keep them in place. Also, there's a master bathroom, new door installed, passive lock, door stop, mini blind and screens, vanity lights with 6 bulbs, vanity mirror, cabinet, new sink, new faucets, P-trap, new toilet, also toilet paper holder, towel bar, exhaust fan, tile flooring, shower, totally done, light fixture, ceramic tile, shower area, shower head faucet, GFI plug, double light switch cover. Kitchen area, new cabinets were installed, vent hood, granite countertops, electric range, new sink with sprayer, P-trap, garbage disposal, new dishwasher, new mini blinds, with screen, again vent hood, new light, new fluorescent light with bulbs, and okay. AC unit. Inside, you saw the outside, has a door stop, 90-degree. Also has the new AC unit. AC air intake vent, thermostat, smoke alarm. Okay. The house was checked out for electrical problems and corrected, and installed a new plumbing to make the second bathroom per Todd. Okay. Check. Okay. This concludes the move out, this concludes the after repair video at 519 Trudell Drive. It is May the 30th, 2014. Time now is 11:58 a.m.